In the heart of Timberland Grove, where tall trees stood proudly and a babbling brook flowed through the peaceful woodland, Linny the Guinea Pig, Ming-Ming Duckling, and Tuck the Turtle were spending a tranquil day in their forest-themed classroom. Suddenly, their special tin can phone echoed with the sound of distress splashes and the rhythmic tapping of wood. It was Benny the Beaver, and he was facing a beaver-sized dilemma. "Wonder Pets, there's a hole in our dam, and water is leaking through. If we don't fix it soon, it might break apart. Please, you must help me patch up the hole," chirped Benny with urgency. Without a moment's hesitation, Linny, Ming-Ming, and Tuck huddled together and leaped into their tree trunk-inspired Flyboat, a sturdy vessel designed for navigating the wooded waters of Timberland Grove. The Flyboat sailed through the babbling brook, leaving a ripple of concentric circles as it approached Benny's dam. As the Wonder Pets arrived, they found Benny frantically trying to stem the flow of water with mud and sticks. Linny, the quick-thinking leader, assessed the beaver-sized problem. "Ming-Ming, use your wings to gather twigs and sticks. Tuck, find a way to reinforce the dam, and we'll work together to save Benny's home," directed Linny. Ming-Ming flapped her wings energetically, collecting twigs and sticks from the forest floor. Tuck, with his resourceful nature, found larger branches and rocks that could be used to reinforce the dam structure. With materials in hand, the Wonder Pets and Benny began the beaver-sized repair operation. Linny directed the placement of each twig, Ming-Ming delicately wove the sticks into the dam, and Tuck used his strength to position the larger branches for added support. As the dam began to take shape, Benny chirped with relief. The Wonder Pets continued their collaborative effort until the hole was patched, and the dam stood strong and secure once more. However, their woodland adventure faced a final challenge. A curious raccoon, drawn by the commotion, approached the scene. Linny, with her diplomatic skills, managed to communicate with the raccoon, convincing it to help instead of inadvertently causing disruption. With the raccoon assisting in gathering additional materials, the Wonder Pets and their masked friend reinforced the dam even further. Benny, filled with gratitude, chirped his thanks as he inspected the now sturdy structure. As the Flyboat sailed back through Timberland Grove, the Wonder Pets and Benny exchanged smiles. The babbling brook flowed peacefully beside the repaired dam, and the trio waved goodbye to the woodland. Back in their forest-themed classroom, the trio reflected on their woodland adventure, ready for the next journey that awaited them in the enchanting Timberland Grove. The tale of the Wonder Pets' beaver-sized rescue spread through the tall trees, becoming a story of teamwork, resourcefulness, and compassion for all creatures in need, even those with a knack for building dams.